Let's make applesauce. You'll need 5 apples, cinnamon, and a medium-sized pot. Have a grown-up cut the apples into small pieces and put the pieces in the pot. It's okay to leave the skins on, especially if your apples are right from the orchard or from the farmer's market. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a dash of nutmeg if you'd like. Add 3/4 of a cup of water. Have a grown-up cook the apples until everything is soft. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes if you cover it and cook it over medium heat. Once everything is soft, take the pot off the stove and set it aside to cool. Once it's cooled down, you can use a potato masher to take care of any pieces that didn't break down during the cooking. And if you like your applesauce extra smooth, have a grown-up put it through the blender. All right, you did it! Delicious, homemade